6th of October 2020. Here's Lönnrotinkatu. Lönnrotinkatu. We're not sure which number this is. We have to check it later. But we're in staircase B. Finally got inside here. There's also staircase A, which also has an elevator.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go there later. The capacity is 3 persons of 240 grams. I think this residential building dates back to the late 1920s, but 2 elevators were completely replaced in 1971. Turning 50 years old in the next year, 2021. It's going to be inspected this year, 2020. I thought this was from 1970. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like this light. Maybe it's for the alarm.
Yeah.
The serial number is H25500. This is like special. It's even than this number.
Yeah.
Could be the 25,500 Kone elevator.
Yeah.
6 floors. We can probably take 2 rides.
Yeah.
It's amazing. They have 3 or 4 apartments per staircase.
Yeah.
Quite a lot of apartments here in this building.
Yeah.
Great idea we got inside here. It was still pretty original today.
Yeah.
Not even like a generic panel inside or anything. I was afraid it was that.
Yeah.
And I like the sounds from the machine room. Yeah, first. Typical of late 1960s, early 1970s Kone elevators.
Yeah.
But I think that came in 1968,
Yeah.
according to Finland.
Inspekteerittbara kiva inspektant maintenance by pääkaupunkiseudun hissakeskus.
It's bad maintenance, but it's working fine.
Yeah. Et asuntoskeittiö Helsingin Varpunen.
Yes, of course. Another cozy residential building.
Yeah.
But it's a bit dark and mysterious. Grey and like that.
Yeah.
There are more colorful residential buildings from the 1920s than this.
Yeah.
But it's because it probably was renovated around 1971. Everything. Almost everything was refurbished here.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.